Local restaurants are still struggling to recover from the pandemic, even local favorites like Salvatore's tomato pies.
Our Andrew Banstra is in the news center with the story.
Salvatore's has been a staple in the area for years, but now the owners say things have gotten bad with staffing. Their 11-year-old is doing dishes while their 14-year-old is making pizzas.
Accelerated by the pandemic and inflation, restaurants in Madison are reeling. The biggest issue for many, though, are staff shortages.
We've had Salvatore's for 11 years now, and it's the worst that it's ever been.
Sal's gets all of their ingredients at the Dane County Farmers Market. This Saturday, they got them at 6 a.m. and then pulled a 14-hour shift.
I think I got a 1-star review because somebody waited 20 minutes for a pizza.
Not for a lack of applicants. It's employees skipping and quitting at an astronomically high rate in the industry. Salvatore's provides health care, great pay, and paid time off. But still, their lack of staffing has forced them to pivot.
Last Thursday, it was myself, one other person in the kitchen. We had 2 others scheduled to be there. Both of those folks called out for whatever reason. That left 2 of us. I had no choice but to close because we can't operate the kitchen with just 2 people. It really hurts to turn away customers too that want to spend money with us and enjoy our restaurants because we can't staff them.
The pandemic sliced restaurants' already razor-thin profit margins.
Pre-pandemic, you have to understand that a restaurant on average had a 3 to 5% profit margin.
That left little wiggle room. 95 to 97% of their profits were already spoken for by the time they had paid for food, staff, utilities, overhead, and more. After closing their doors during COVID, using their savings, and taking out soon-to-be-due loans, 2022's inflation and staff shortages have nearly erased all profits.
It's just going to be a new normal that folks are just going to have to understand that in order to have that great restaurant experience, it's not going to be pre-pandemic times.
Hilmer says it'll take years to solve this complex issue. But in the meantime, restaurateurs in Madison will have to keep scraping by and making pies.
Because of staffing, Sal's had to temporarily close one of their locations while trimming hours at others. Demand for Sal's is through the roof. They simply can't maintain a staff that will support it.